Today's palm oil plantations are vast in size, and many porous areas, that is prone for security issues, such as theft and fire hotspots. Due to shortage of manpower, increasing cost and limited access, it is challenging to do regular manual patrol. Introducing Aviro surveillance drone for palm oil estates, enabling robust and cost-effective patrols, with limited manpower. With pre-configured flight plans, surveillance can be done on regular, yet flexible route, ensuring optimal perimeter coverage. With up to dual 30x RGB zoom and thermal camera, frequent patrols are made effortless, regardless of time of day. Live HD streaming many kilometers away can be observed and recorded, coupled with AI tracking for human and vehicles, makes surveillance very efficient. Optional megaphone and LED spotlight also available, to support more proactive measures, or laser rangefinder for accurate distance measuring. Having regular eye in the sky, ensures best security surveillance for your estate, round the clock. Secure your plantation. Talk to us today.